Let's make this rich and creamy mango ice cream. It's fruity and refreshing with the right amount of sweetness. It's a perfect treat. Oh, look! It gets more like an ice cream now. Ooh, interesting. I get too excited right there. Ooh, it's starting to ball up, right? Oh, it's pretty. Look! Just too excited. Oh my gosh, you just really have to wait a little bit to defrost. A little bit.
Maybe that one.
Mm-hmm. Husband, eat on the other side. How will you rate this ice cream?
Love it.
Love it?
So
Or
don't
list it?
Love it.
Love it.
No listing.
No listing. I
Alright.
don't know. I'm
Mine.
confused. Which one is your favorite?
I like the mango.
You like the mango? I like the avocado, but I'm really liking the mango too now. It's like, so delicious. Yummy.